Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. How many months in a year have exactly 30 days? Now, in order to solve this, what we have? We have January month which has 31 days, February which has 28 or 29 depending on whether or not it's a leap year. So, March has 31 days, then comes April which has 30 days, May has 31, June has 30 days, July and August have 31 days. September has 30 days. October has 31 days. And then comes November, which has 30 days again. So there are 4 months. 4 months in a year which have exactly 30 days. So the answer is 4 months.